got time for bad news. Education is so cool. Back in class, I ain't ready for school. Learning to me, it is key. 1 + 1 is 2. 2 + 2, it is 4. 3 + 3 is 6. Letter of the alphabet.
Can anybody say A like me? I'm an A student, you see.
Yeah.
Letter A is going to help me learn words that I can repeat. Going to learn how to sing in confidence. Capital A and lowercase a. People, places, and things that has a sound, so I can clearly speak.
It's time to get down with the letter A. The first letter of the alphabet, we can say the first letter. The first letter that we heard in school. We learn and it's cool to help our minds grow better. When you think about the letter A, all the words and sounds that are made with the letter A. Letter A has a very important position. It gives life to our words as we listen.
Can anybody say A like me? I'm an A student, you see. Letter A is going to help me learn words that I can repeat. Going to learn how to sing in confidence. Capital A and lowercase a. People, places, and things that has a sound, so I can clearly.
Okay, now let's do our alphabets. Do you know your alphabets? Let's say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Let's say them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready to do our letter of the day? Our letter of the day is the letter Y. Now remember, ask someone older than you for a sheet of paper, and remember to not write on the walls, but always ask for a marker, a pen, or crayon to write with so that we can write it together. This is the letter Y. This is a capital Y here, and you just do a slant line like this. I'm going to trace it first, and then you're going to do a long line like that. And then this is a baby Y, which is a lowercase y, which you're going to do one little line here, and then another line come down like that. Okay, now let's erase. Then we're going to start over. So you're going to draw a short line like that, like a slant, sideways, and then you're going to do a long line, just like that. Let's do it again. A short line like that, and then a long line like that. Or You can do this. You can do one line like this, and then one line like that, like an upside down mountain. And then another line like that. That's the capital Y. Now let's do a baby Y, which is a short line like this and a long line like that. That's the lowercase y, which is the baby Y. Okay? So let's do a capital. Line, line, longer line. Line, line, longer line. See, capital Y, lowercase y. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's do a lowercase y. Short line, long line. Short line, long line. Just like that. Okay? So practice, practice, practice. And we're so proud of you for trying. Very good. And here is your balloon. Because you did such an excellent job. Now, since you did such a good job with listening, we have a special surprise. Okay, Pete and friends, what is in our box? We have a box from Amazon. What did we order? Let's see. Oh, remember now, you don't play with scissors. You always let an adult play with, not play. You always ask an adult to help you open up something. But Miss Porter's going to get her scissors. She's going to open the box at the top. And let's see what's inside, because Miss Porter doesn't even know herself. Oh, these are, it's heavy. This is a math flashcard bundle. And we have other flashcards. Okay, those are for our alphabet. And then we have, this looks like a little fun toy. Called a Zippy. Okay. I had to open that. And look at this. A lacing shoe. So we can learn how to tie our shoes. And also we have sight words. Think Tank Scholars sight words. Oh my goodness, so many fun things. What do we open up first, Pete? Let's open up this squiggly thing first. What is this squiggly thing about? Oh, it looks like a lot of fun. Okay. It's flexible and soft edges. And what we do, I'm going to cut the tags off. Let's cut the tags off like this. Oh, so we can zip it. Look at that. So we can work our fingers. It has different types of strings that we can pull. So for all teachers or parents that are watching, this is a fun toy. And this comes from Moby. Play, Learn, Repeat is called the Zippy Activity Toy. It's for sensory exploration, and this is for 18 plus months. Oh, this is really nice. Also, well, there's no certain way to hold it. But see, you can pull these, and they can pull them pretty hard. Isn't that unique? It has different different little strings to pull, and they have different types of textures. Oh, Miss Porter. All right, Miss Porter's going to put this down. She's going to play with that herself. All right, now, ooh, we have a lot of sight word flashcards. So we're just going to do one of these sets right now. This is the sight words flashcard. And then we're going to open up the other toys in our next broadcast. Okay? So you've been sitting here so nicely. Miss Porter wants you to go get a snack. All right? And Miss Porter might need to get her a snack too. Right, Pete and friends? Okay, here's some sight word cards. This one is called Your. And then you can flip it over and it says Me. And this is called You. And you turn it around, Make. So these are sight words, most frequently used words for parents that are listening or teachers, and therefore beginner books. Words that are found in beginner books, and it's helping them recognize these words to increase your child's reading speed and accuracy, fluency, and comprehension. Okay? Right. And then it has in the corner the next word that's on the opposite side of the card, which is made. See? All right, that looks like a lot of fun. And then our next broadcast, we're going to go over some more sight words because, oh my goodness. Oops. Oh, Miss Porter dropped some of them. But Pete's stomach and his friends is rumbling, so is Miss Porter's. But these, they're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are a lot of these sight words. So we'll go through that in another class. And then we'll go over the lacing shoe. Ooh, this looks like a lot of fun. And here we have our flashcards for pre-K, which is numbers, alphabets, colors, and shapes. But until then, we'll see you next time. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.